Can damaged insulation affect HVAC performance? Yes, damaged insulation can make your heating and cooling system work harder, waste energy, and keep rooms from feeling comfortable. When insulation gets torn, wet, compressed, or missing, it stops slowing down heat the way it should. That means hot air can slip in during summer and warm air can leak out during winter, so your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system has to run longer just to keep the same temperature. Think of insulation like a blanket around your house, because if the blanket has holes, it cannot hold in warmth very well. One thing many people do not realize is that damaged insulation can also make some rooms feel very different from others. Even when the thermostat says everything is fine, it can also cause your system to start and stop more often, which is hard on parts and can shorten the life of the equipment. If insulation is wet from a leak, it can lose much of its power and may even grow mold, which can affect indoor air quality. A good way to check is to look in the attic, around ductwork, near crawl spaces, and behind any areas that have had water problems. If you notice sagging, gaps, dark stains, or insulation that feels soft and damp, it is worth fixing quickly before energy bills and comfort problems get worse. One common mistake is assuming the HVAC system is the only problem when a house feels too hot or too cold. But bad insulation can be the real reason. A simple tip is to check for drafts and uneven room temperatures before replacing expensive equipment. Another mistake is ignoring small damaged spots, because even a little gap can let a lot of heat move in or out over time. The easy fix is to seal the gap and replace the damaged section as soon as you find it. People also forget that wet insulation does not just dry out and work normally again, so if water has soaked it, it may need to be removed and replaced. A good rule is to treat any insulation after a leak as suspect until someone checks it carefully. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.